Samsung is officially expanding its One UI 8.5 beta program, and two of its most popular mid-range devices, the Galaxy S23 FE and Galaxy A35, are finally joining the list. Here's everything you need to know about the rollout, features, and how you can get it early. Samsung has now confirmed that the One UI 8.5 beta program is on its way to the Galaxy S23 FE, alongside foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. This marks a major step as the company continues to expand its latest software experience to more users. Even before the official rollout begins, the first beta build has already been spotted on Samsung's servers, strongly indicating that the release is just around the corner. The firmware version, S711NKSUEZD5, suggests that internal testing is complete and the public beta could go live very soon. As of now, the beta program has been confirmed for South Korea, but regions like India, the UK, and the United States are also expected to follow shortly after. Samsung has also started setting up dedicated beta program forums on its community platform for both the Galaxy S23 FE and Galaxy A35, which further confirms that the launch is imminent. Recently, Samsung expanded the One UI 8.5 beta to the Galaxy S23 series and Galaxy A36, showing a wider rollout strategy. Meanwhile, the flagship Galaxy S5 series is already ahead, having received multiple beta updates, with the latest one even introducing new features like an AirDrop-style file sharing system. If you're using the Galaxy S23 FE or A35, you won't receive the beta update automatically. Instead, you'll need to manually enroll through the Samsung Members app. Once the program goes live, simply look for the beta banner, sign up, agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll be able to download the update. Samsung has hinted that the rollout could begin later this month, so the wait shouldn't be too long now. If you're excited about One UI 8.5 and want to see all the new features first, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Also, drop a comment below and let me know. Are you planning to install the beta, or will you wait for the stable version?